Once upon a time, in a sparkling kingdom, Princess Lily and her friends Princess Rose and Princess Daisy stumbled upon an ancient vine-covered gate while playing in the palace grounds. Behind the gate lay a hidden garden filled with magical, shimmering flowers, each glowing with a unique color and scent. In the center of the garden stood a grand blue flower that pulsed with light, and the air felt alive with enchantment. Curious, the princesses walked around, marveling at the unusual plants that seemed to hum and whisper in the breeze. The garden was more than just beautiful, it was magical. Every flower bloomed to the princesses' laughter and glowed brighter with their happiness. It seemed the garden's magic was tied to the joy and kindness shared within it. But one day, Princess Lily noticed that the grand blue flower at the garden's heart was beginning to wither. The light around it grew dim, and with it, the other flowers seemed to droop and lose their colors. The princesses were worried. They realized that if the flower faded completely, the garden's magic would be lost forever. Determined to save it, the princesses asked their wise grandmother, Queen Flora, for help. She told them, "The garden's magic comes from kindness and love. To revive the flower, you must give it something meaningful from your heart." Each princess thought deeply about what they could offer. Princess Rose sang a sweet lullaby that her mother used to sing to her, while Princess Daisy brought her favorite storybook filled with tales of bravery and friendship. Finally, Princess Lily gently placed her childhood charm bracelet, a gift she'd cherished, at the base of the flower. The love and memories each gift held were powerful. As the princesses gave their offerings, the blue flower began to glow again, brighter than before. The garden filled with shimmering lights, and soon every flower bloomed with vibrant color. The princesses cheered, knowing they had saved the magic garden by giving something precious from their hearts. From that day on, the princesses tended to the garden with love, knowing that kindness and generosity would always keep its magic alive. Morale: true magic is found in kindness, love, and the treasures we give from the heart.